Hey guys, welcome back. I tell you what, it's a very active, very beautiful day here in the Bluegrass State, and I tell you what, I got some family already here, and I got some that's coming, and more importantly, I got 2 racks of St. Louis cut spare ribs. We're going to get over here on the Char-Griller Grand Champ, so let's not waste any time, get inside and get this thing prepped up. Hey guys, these are beautiful. I've trimmed them up as you've seen in an earlier clip. I've already removed the membrane. I trimmed this little, I don't even know what they're called. That'll be a pitmaster treat here in a little while. But we're gonna get these seasoned up. I'm just gonna do some yellow mustard as a binder. Don't need a whole lot. And we're going to do this in 2 layers. Our first layer here is going to use some from Gillaholics, some SPG plus butter. Never used this on ribs before, so this should be interesting. I won't bore you with all of it, but I'll show you what I'm doing here, then I'll finish up before we go outside. We're going to follow that up with some Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. Love this stuff. I don't know how the combination with the 2 rubs is going to do though, so that'll be a treat for us. Alright guys, I'm going to do this on all sides, and I'll get back to you when we're outside at the pit. Bring this up to temp. Alright, let's do this. Now, there. This one meat side up. I'm just going to throw this extra piece way back here. Okay, I'm not going to run an internal temp because the rib is hard to stay off the bones, but I do want to run an ambient temperature there so I can kind of control this. I'm still learning this grill, so that's how we're going to roll with that. Oops. Now we'll run this up. There we go. We are going to use a pan of water. Put a little moisture in there. And get her closed up. Alright guys, and for some smoke, I just got some cherry wood here. There we go. It's going to go nicely on those ribs. We'll check back in about an hour or so. Alright guys, we're about 1 hour into this, just a little over 1 hour. I'm going to flip this guy over here. Looking good. Starting to form a nice little bark on here, but yeah, we're gonna keep her going as we are, but I need a little help for this next step here. Alright guys, I told you I need a little help here. This is my grandson Elijah. We call him Eli. Only he can help me with this right now, so Elijah, won't you spray down? Just take both hands and reach up there and spray that. Spray the, back up a little bit, just right about there. Okay, spray it down real good. That's apple juice. That's going to help set the bark on here.
Okay.
Make sure you get both ribs back here. Okay?
Okay.
Good job, buddy. Good job. Reach up over top of there and get that back one real good. Can you get it? It's leaking, I know. Papa needs a new sprayer. Good job, buddy. Good job. Thank you so much. All right, buddy. Yep. I'm gonna say hi to the camera. Tell all my YouTubers hi. This is
hi.
Eli. Big help today, buddy. Thank you so much.
Okay.
All right, let's close this up and look at some fire management here. There you go. Open up here. I added a few pieces. I'm gonna add a little bit more charcoal. It still looks pretty good though. Maybe get some ash off of that. Running a little low on cherry wood. Mama's gonna pick some at the store for me. So, all right, guys. We'll check back in about another hour. I got our pan here. I'm just going to hit our pan here with a little bit of this apple juice inside there. Go ahead and pull this. I'm going to put this meat down. Whoop! Don't do that. About missed it. We're going to hit this really good. It's apple juice. We're going to double wrap this. And you know what? We're going to get this all tendered up. That is a word here. That's a word in Kentucky, I'm telling you. Alright, get this back in here. Pull this other one in. This other one in. That's awesome. And I'm going to throw this other little piece in here too. Just because. Give this a spray. We're starting to get a little pull there. I don't know if I told you we're 3 hours in. So I just let that last round go on the smoke. We've been running about 225 to 230. And I've been very happy with that. Very nice. I don't know if I need to or not, but I'm going to take this one that was up front and move it to the back. Put that on there. Get her all closed up. Alright guys, I'll check back in about an hour, see where we are. Guys, we are about 4.5 hours in. I just want to take a look. I don't know how well you can see it in the foil here, but we're going to be coming out of the foil real soon. They've been in the foil for about an hour and a half. I'm mostly just checking for tenderness. I don't have a lot of pullback, but I didn't do a lot of trimming on this thing either. So yeah, we're at 177. I'm gonna get this out of the foil, and we're gonna do one more thing before we are done. Very tender, guys. It's not butter tender, but it's pretty tender. I got people that's getting hungry. So here's what we're gonna do. Pull this out one at a time. Still got our little strip here, still hanging in there. Oop. I love everything I'm seeing, guys. Got a little tear. That back in there. That is beautiful. I'm gonna take those juices and just dump it right back on there. It's flavor. Right back in there. Same thing, juice is right back on there. Okay, while we're going here, put our top rock back in for our next step. We'll make sure the kiddos get some smoked hot dogs. what I'm talking about right there. I'm not going to season them with anything. We're just going to go what they are, but I am going to throw a little bit more smoke on here. How about that? Just go a little while longer. And because we can, let's get a little smoke for them dogs. I'm gonna hit these guys up with some glaze. Hot dogs are getting about done there. Probably do this 2 or 3 times. And we're gonna pull these guys. I don't think I showed you guys. We're using the Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy, no sugar added. Okay, guys, we'll hit that up 2 or 3 times. And we're gonna pull these inside. Look at that, guys. Got a little pull back there on the ends. Everything looks good. Everything smells delicious. I'm gonna cut this up, guys, and get my family fed. We'll come back and do a final taste test. Look at that stack of ribs, guys. Would you look at that? Got a little smoke ring going on there. Got some juiciness. Look at there. Let's get a bite of that. All right, guys. That is so good. That smoke ring's a good. It's a good almost 1/4 inch there, guys. Tell you what I want to see. I could have went a little bit longer. I kind of rushed it at the end. That's pulling off pretty good. Very good. That is delicious. I love that cherry wood on my ribs. Probably do that more than anything. Doubled up on the flavors there. Worked out really good. Of course, I brought in that SPG plus butter. Link down below for 20% off on that. And also brought in, I haven't used this in a while, some Gillaholics, the barbecue rub. Delicious. Glad that I can get that local now. Great job, Malcolm. And of course, we finished up with some Sweet Baby Ray's, the sweet and spicy. And that is sugar-free version. So guys, another great cook. Very delicious. It took, this total time a little over 5 hours on this. I was very happy. Could have went a little bit longer had I had my wishes, but my family was growling at me, so I thought I'd rush it a little bit and get her done. So guys, thank you as always. Another great cook. It was great to be back on the Char-Griller Grand Champ. I haven't cooked on that in a few weeks, so good times. So guys, till next time, we'll see you on the next cook. God bless you. Bye-bye. There's my buddies, Eli and Ethan. Say bye-bye, YouTube.